Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you have administrator rights and a reliable connection. Next, choose between the portable zip and the installer exe. Portable runs without changing the registry, installer adds shortcuts. Once decided, open your browser, search for the official DNS Jumper distribution, and download the chosen file. Make sure your antivirus is up to date, but temporarily allow the download if it flags the file. You will scan the file after download. Once the file finishes, proceed to extraction or launch the installer. Now extract the zip into a clear folder or run the exe installer while choosing Run as administrator. This ensures DNS changes apply system-wide. When the app launches, allow any firewall or UAC prompts so DNS Jumper can modify network settings. Look through the preloaded DNS lists. You can add custom DNS servers by name or IP. Once you select a preferred server, use the Apply or Fast Set button to push changes. Make sure to pick the correct network adapter before applying to avoid affecting the wrong interface. Finish by confirming the change. Open a browser, visit a known site, then run ipconfig/all or ping a domain to verify the DNS server IP. If pages fail to load, use DNS Jumper's Restore Original DNS to revert quickly, then retry with a different DNS from the list. If problems continue, restart your network adapter or reboot the PC and run the tool again as administrator. This clears cache settings and often resolves permission or cache-related issues. If needed, run a quick DNS flush using ipconfig/flushdns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.